Hello and hi friends, welcome back to Krishna's tutorials. In this particular video, that is part 2, I will be explaining you what is the eligibility criteria and exam pattern of CLAT 2022. In the previous part 1, I have explained you what is CLAT, basic details, tentative schedules, application fee, exam stats and toppers with marks. So in this particular video, we are dealing with eligibility and exam pattern. So before beginning the video, let me tell you something interesting and important for you. So if you are serious in preparing for CLAT 2022 and 23, so these are the important features of Unacademy app where various courses for CLAT 2022 and 23 were started. So raise a hand and talk to the educator in live class. Unlimited quizzes, you can also launch a quiz anytime, anywhere, live and recorded sessions. Opportunity to learn from the best educators and NLU alumni. There will be weekly events and you can also access to mock tests and sectional tests. So these are the prominent features of Unacademy platform. So Lavo Rama is a beginners batch for CLAT 2023. So it will be starting on 13th October 2021 in Hindi. It is a 2 years course. Raise a hand feature live voice solutions by the top educators. 50 plus additional mock test and weekly sectional test. Monthly CA and GK compendium will be provided. You can look over the mentor names here. So La Vista is also a beginners batch for CLAT 2023. It will be starting on 15th October 2021. English plus Hindi 2 years course. Important features are there. You can read there and you can look over the mentor names in the screen. So subscription, so if you want to take any one of the subscription on Unacademy, so don't forget to use my code is GKK10 for additional 10% discount. Live quiz future for the students. Start or join a live quiz in 3 easy steps. You can read the steps there. So not only for students who are preparing for 2023 CLAT, there are various courses for 2022 aspirants also. You can look over on Unacademy platform. Weekly tests will be conducted like Unacademy aptitude test, 60 minutes, 60 questions, 60 marks every Saturday 11 a.m. and weekly T20 test with 20 minutes revision test for your everyday practice, 20 minutes, 20 questions, 20 marks. Monday English, Tuesday quantitative techniques, Wednesday logical reasoning, Thursday legal aptitude, Friday CA and GK, and it is absolutely open for everyone. Definitely try to attend and attempt the quiz. Subscribe to Unacademy CLAT channel and stay tuned. Comment on our videos and let us know what you feel. Do show us some love by liking and sharing our videos. So first of all, let us see what is the eligibility criteria for CLAT 2022 UG. So in this particular video, I will be talking about eligibility criteria of UG and PG. Okay, and exam pattern of only CLAT 2022 UG. So let us look over the UG eligibility. So there will be no upper age limit for UG program in CLAT 2022. So as regards minimum percentage of marks in the qualifying examination, that is 10 plus 2 or any equivalent examination, the candidate must have secured 45% marks or its equivalent grade in the case of candidates belong to general, other backward caste, person with disabilities, non-resident Indian, persons of Indian origin and overseas citizen of India. So all these categories should must have 45% in their 10 plus 2, that is intermediate or any equivalent examinations. So in case of SC and ST, 40% is enough. Next, candidate who are appearing in the qualifying examination in March or April 2022 are also eligible to appear in CLAT 2022 examination. That means friends, if you are a final year student of intermediate or any equivalent examination, so you can also apply and attempt CLAT 2022, but you must provide your certificates that I have passed my 10 plus 2 with 45% or 40% in case of SC/ST. Otherwise, you will not get admission. So the same is mentioned here. So CLAT 2022 PG eligibility criteria: an LLB degree or any an equivalent examination with a minimum of 50%. Okay, so here the minimum required percentage is 50, and in case of SC/ST it is 45%. In LLB degree or any equivalent examination, candidates appearing in the qualifying examination, that is final year students, are also eligible to apply for CLAT PG. No, there is no upper age limit for CLAT 2022. So here 2021. Sorry for the mistake. So let us look over the CLAT 2022 exam pattern. So maximum marks are 150. So the exam will be conducted for a marks of 150. Duration of CLAT 2022 exam 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. So in 120 minutes you need to answer 150 questions. So it is a multiple choice based questions, friends. That means question will be given and 4 options will be given, so you have to select the right option. So generally passages will come, so passages will be followed by series of questions. So that is because CLAT 2022 will be more of comprehensive based, right? So you need to improve your reading and comprehension skills. Then MCQs 150 questions of 1 mark each, so each question carries 1 mark. There is no okay, there is negative marking, that is 0.25 mark for each wrong answer. That means if you do 4 options wrong, you will lose 1 mark. Then exam mode is offline. So in case of 2020 and 21, so it was conducted offline, and it is expected to be conducted offline in CLAT 2022 also. If there is any update, I will try to inform you. Number of subjects, 5 subjects will be there. So what are those 5 subjects or 5 sections, we'll be dealing in the next parts of the video. So that's all in this video, friends. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Keep smiling.